Hey there and welcome back to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Today I'm making another older recipe, a pie recipe, and this one is an Amish pie recipe. I'm going to be making a pie that I just absolutely loved when I spent time living in Amish country, in oatmeal pie. But I'm going to be making it a little wild, you know, the Jim's Kitsch Kitchen way, and I'm going to be mashing it up with a Little Debbie oatmeal cream pie and taking that cream from an oatmeal cream pie cookie and squeezing it on top of my oatmeal cream pie. Watch me make it now. Bowl, 2/3 cups of oats, 2/3 cup of white sugar, and a cup of brown sugar, 3 eggs, 2/3 cup of half and half or whole milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it all up. Pour it in a pie shell and we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes until it sets. And while that's cooking, I'm going to work on the cream that tastes like an oatmeal cream pie filling. But first of all, a friend of mine is going to tell you a little bit about oatmeal cream pies.
Well, hello everybody. You may remember me from an old video where we learned about the history of Little Debbie. Little Debbie, that's my sister. I'm Little Dee Dee. Well, oatmeal cream pies have been around for a long time. They're actually the very first product, the first Little Debbie product from 1935. That's a long time ago. People just love Little Debbie snack cakes so much. It's a very good creamy filling. I like it so much. But what I don't understand is, why does Little Debbie get all the attention?
For the creamy filling, I need a bowl with 1 cup of powdered sugar, as well as 1 stick of melted butter, and finally, just a little drop of vanilla. Mix it until smooth. Now I'm adding an entire jar of marshmallow cream to that and mixing it all together. Grab that cream and get it on that pie. Okay, it's all done and that cream looks fantastic. I'm going to get a little bit on my piece. This is going to be very nostalgic. I can't wait to try it. Okay? It's definitely an Amish oatmeal pie, but that cream kicks it up a notch and brings it in Little Debbie territory. I'm so happy you joined me in watching here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. You never know what I'm gonna make, but if you want to know, subscribe and click that bell.
What would a little oatmeal cookie girl say at the end of a cooking video? Good pie.